5 feet early Friday.
Northwestern Kendall County.
Northwestern Kendall County in Bravo has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 12:15 a.m. At 11:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from near Waterman to near Solmanock, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Little Rock and Hinckley around 12:05 a.m. Plano around 12:10 a.m. Including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 100 and 105. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.